Hi, I'm Sandy Byrne, and we're going to use our yoga tune-up balls today to work on our infraspinatus muscle. Now, the infraspinatus is one of 4 rotator cuff muscles. It's the second most overused muscle, and we use our infraspinatus muscle, or overuse our infraspinatus muscle, for things like if you sleep on your side and the arm is always up, if you're a pitcher, right, you're playing tennis, something like that, where you're throwing a ball, maybe pulling a lawnmower cord, those kinds of things would be utilizing the infraspinatus muscle or could aggravate it. So we're going to roll it out today, and I've taken us outside of the studio because you can roll anywhere. And you can roll on vacation, you can roll while you're going for a walk or in your office. And I'm taking us to a wall today just so that you can see the yoga tune-up balls better, but you can do this on the floor too if you're looking for a more deep pressure to give yourself. So what we're going to do is find our infraspinatus muscle. So if you lift your arm up, take your hand and wrap it around underneath your armpit, you'll feel, if you move up a little bit, you'll feel the spine of the scapula, you'll feel bony. And then scooch down a little bit, you'll find the meat of the muscle. You'll know you're there if you take your arm and you can internally and externally rotate that arm. You'll feel the muscles actually moving underneath your fingers. So you know that's the spot. So I take my arm, bring it up overhead, take my handy dandy tune-up ball and place it right into the infraspinatus as I lean into my wall. I can let my arm dangle here, and I'm going to give a little chugging motion, a little up and down motion. I'll move a little bit towards the back as I move up and down, and a little bit towards the front as I cross fiber the muscle fibers of the infraspinatus. And you may find a spot that feels a little extra yummy, and if you do, know that you can just lean into that, create a sustained compression, find your breath. And as you exhale, let the ball sink into the tissue. We can also create a pin and stretch as I bring my arm up and down, and internally and externally rotate that arm at the same time. You can leave the arm up and also bring the ball down just a little bit. Know that you can readjust your balls at any time. And then give a little swish from side to side. To me, it feels like a pageant wave, and we're actually stripping, we're moving with the grain of the muscles here as we move side to side. And we're also working infraspinatus, but teres minor is kind of going along for the ride as well. It likes to help infraspinatus in that external rotation and adduction. Up it down again, and release. And you might even be able to notice maybe one shoulder might be a little bit lower than the other. It's released a little bit, and so hope you can take care of your infraspinatus muscles, and thank you.